Hello, and welcome to the Curriculum Night Information for World Geography for Lakeside High School. My name is Jovan Stean. Originally born in Berkeley, California, I moved to Georgia in the mid-90s. I am a graduate of Georgia State University, and I'm very happy to be joining the Lakeside High School team this year, and this happens to be my fourth year of teaching. Here I've provided you with contact information for myself. You can reach me through email or Google Voice number. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions or concerns at all. Classroom expectations. I expect students to display proper respect for the learning environment and all those involved, come to class on time and prepared with their Chromebook charged, something to write with and something to write on, and to always give maximum effort on all activities and assignments, and to never be afraid to ask any questions. The content for World Geography will mostly be coming out of Active Classroom. This is an online platform provided by DeKalb County Board of Education, which has assignments such as articles, maps, and videos, as well as many other activities for students to use in order to explore the world that we live in and the people that inhabit this world. I'm very happy to be here at Lakeside this year. I'm very happy to be teaching your students in person. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to contact me. Thank you very much for stopping by.